Now we will discuss about 7th NCRT signs. Okay, so what are the main points? Autotrophic. What is autotrophic? Auto means self and trophs means nourishment or nutrition in plants. Okay, heterotrophs means hetero means others, and it dependent on plants for their food. So whoever is there, if they are dependent on plant, so it means these are called as heterotrophs. Carbohydrates is equal to carbon plus hydrogen plus oxygen. Cascata, it you can say amarbeil, does not have chlorophyll. It takes a ready-made food from the plant on which it is climbing, so called as a parasite. Okay, so what is parasite? You can say the plant which takes a food from the other plant, so they can't make their own food. When the organism take in a nutritions in a solution form from dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. Plants called saprotrophs. Okay, so the organism which takes food from the decaying matter, or can say humus or death plant, or you can say leaves, or so they are called as sporotrophic nutrition, and these plants are called as sporotrophs. Then the structure of tongue, you can say very upper part, which is very near to your lips, that is sweet portion. Then after salty come, and then in the middle we can say the sour come, and the last of the tongue you can get a bitter. Okay, bitter taste you can touch. Then the structure of teeth or arrangement of teeth, very upper, you can say very front teeth, you can say it is incisor. Then your canine teeth come, then premolar, and the last akal ke daat, you can say that is called as molar teeth. Okay, the digestion of protein starts in stomach. That is very important. The digestion of protein starts in stomach, in the small intestine, largest gland in the body. So small intestine is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juice that is stored in a sac called a gallbladder. Okay, gallbladder. So bile juice is you can say stored in a sac which is called gallbladder. Bile plays an important role in digestion of fats. Nutrition is a complex process involving ingestion, then digestion, then third one absorption, then fourth one assimilation, and the fifth one ingestion. That is ingestion hai, and last one ingestion. Then the grazing animals like cows, buffaloes, and deer are known as ruminants. Why? They store their leafy food in rumen. Later the food returns to the mouth and animal chews it peacefully. So that's why they are called as ruminants. Large intestine function is to absorb water and some salts from undigested food. Okay, then some Indian breeds of sheep. So some breeds are there, name of breeds, then quality of wool, and the state where these finds. So very first Lohi type of breed, which gives a good quality of wool, and these are found in Rajasthan and Punjab. Then Rampur Bushehr, that is the name of breed. Okay, Rampur Bushehr, it is having brown fleece. Okay, quality of wool name is brown fleece, and you can find out in these UP and Himachal Pradesh. Okay, then the third one is Nali type of breed, that is used for carpet making or carpet wool, and it is found in Rajasthan, Haryana, and Punjab. Then the third one is Bakharwal. Bakharwal is also a name of breed. It is used, this breed is used for woolen shawls, and especially it find out in J&K, or you can say Jammu and Kashmir. Marwadi, name of breed, and it has coarse wool, which is a specialty of Gujarat. Then Patanwadi, this is also a name of a breed, and it is used for hosiery, and it is also found in Gujarat. Then processing fibers into wool, how it is? Very first shearing, we can say shaving of the hair, then scouring, then sorting, then dyeing, and then yarn will ready. Sorter's job is risky as as sometime they get infected by the bacterium anthrax. Okay, then some common name of silk are Fasa silk, Muga silk, Kosa silk, Eri silk, and Mulberry silk. The hair of camel, llama, and alpaca are also proceeded as yield wool. The process of taking out threads from cocoon is called reeling of the silk or reeling the silk. Two terms related to silk, sericulture and moriculture. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees centigrade. The process by which heat is transferred from the hotter end to the colder end of an object is known as conduction. The material which is allow heat to pass through are conductors. These are like example, you can say aluminum, copper, and iron. And on the other side, the materials which do not allow to pass through the heat, that is called as insulators. What are these material? You can have example of plastic and wood. The water cools down more slowly than the land. In solids, the heat is transferred by conduction. In liquid and gases, the heat transferred by convection. No medium required for the transfer of heat by radiation. Dark colored objects absorb radiation better than the light colored objects. That is why we wear light colored clothes in summer. Acid and base. Acid acid is sour in taste, but base it is bitter in taste and also soapy. Okay, so acid you can say lemon, curd, etc., and base you can say baking soda. The substance which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic known as indicators. Or in indicators, you can have the example of litmus paper. When added to acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to in basic solution, it turns blue. Okay, and this litmus paper extracted from lichens. Okay, then name of acid and some found in some importance are okay, oxalic acid in spinach, ascorbic acid, or you can say vitamin C. It is found in amla, citrus fruits. Name of base in which they found it. Name of base is calcium hydroxide, which is found in lime water, and sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. You can say soap. Substance which are not acid and not base called as neutral. The rain becomes acid because carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide dissolve in rain drops to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, respectively. It can harm historical monuments, plants, and animals. Acid plus base equal to or salt plus water. Heat is involved here, so a salt may be acidic or basic or neutral in nature. Iron, or you can say Fe plus oxygen plus water, it you can say it now make as rust, which is iron oxide, or you can say Fe2O3. You can prevent rust by deposit a layer of metal like chromium or zinc on iron or apply a coat of paint or grease. Charges, physical and chemical. Changes physical and chemical. Physical, no new substance form. Changes may be reversible, and some substances can be changes may be reversible. Then chemical, you can say new substance and produced. Okay, new substance are produced. Some substance can be obtained in pure state from their solutions by crystallization. Then air, you can say expands on heating and contracts on cleaning. Then monsoon is an Arabic word which is mosum and it means season. Increased wind speed is indeed accompanied by a reduced air pressure. Air moves from the region where the air pressure is increased to the region where the air pressure is decreased. The warm air is therefore lighter than the cold air. The instrument that measures the wind speed is called as and anemometer. A cyclone alert or cyclone watch is issued 48 hours in advance of any expected storm, and a cyclone warning is issued 24 hours in advance. The mixture of rock particles and humus is called the soil. It may be sandy, it may be clayey, or it may be loomy. So these three types of soils are there: sandy, clayey, and loomy. What are the characteristics? You can say sandy is greater proportion of big particles, clayey is finer particles are relatively high, and loomy is, you can say, layer or is equal to fine particles. Okay, so it is like that. Then the removal of the land surface by water or wind or ice is known as erosion. Percolation. Percolation rate of water is different in different types of soil. It is highest in sandy soil and least in clayey soil. In the cell, the food, or you can say glucose, is broken down into carbon dioxide plus water using oxygen. When breaking down occurs in presence of oxygen, it is aerobic respiration, and when breaking down occurs in presence of without oxygen, then it is anaerobic respiration. When the oxygen presence, then it is aerobic respiration, and when oxygen is not present, or you can say without oxygen, then it is anaerobic respiration. Partial breakdown of glucose produce lactic acid. The partial breaking down of glucose produces lactic acid. Glucose in the presence of oxygen, you can say, concludes with water plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Yeast are single celled organism. They respire anaerobically, and during their process yield real alcohol. Okay, the therefore used to make wine and beer. Now we will continue with the seventh NCRT science. Okay, so percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide in inhaled and exhaled air. So lungs inhaled 21% oxygen, okay, and 0.04% carbon dioxide, and exhaled 16.4 oxygen and 4.4% carbon dioxide. Okay. The normal range of breathing rate per minute in humans are 15 to 18 times. Blood is a liquid which has cells of various kinds suspended in it. The fluid part of the blood is called as plasma. Red blood cells, or RBCs, has red pigment which is called as hemoglobin. It binds with oxygen and transports blood. It will be difficult to provide oxygen efficiently to all cells without or with hemoglobin. Okay, so WBC fight against germs that may enter our body. Platelets, blood clot is formed due to this type of cells. So platelets are very helpful to form the blood clot, and WBC for fighting for germs. Two types of blood vessels are there: veins and arteries. So what are these? Arteries. Okay, heart act as pumping organ, and what is these two type of arteries and veins are? Arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of body, and veins carry oxygen rich blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. Okay, then circulatory system, you can say called it circulatory system. The vesicular tissue for the transport of water and nutrients in the plant is called as xylem, or it is, you can say, transportation of water only. Okay, when leaves synthesize food, transportation of these to all parts of the plant are done by phloem, which is, you can say, transportation of food, which is called as phloem. So xylem and phloem transport substances in plant. Excretory system of humans consists of two kidneys, two uterus, a urinary bladder, and urethra. Fish excrete waste substance such as ammonia, which dissolve in water. Birds, insects, and lizards excrete uric acid in semi-solid form. Uric acid in semi-solid form. Then bryophyllum can reproduce by its leaves. Bryophyllum, you can say a kind of plant. Okay, asexual reproduction includes fragmentation, which is in algae, or budding in yeast, and spore formation, which is done in fungus. And vegetative propagation, which you can say new plants proceeded from your roots, stems, leaves, and buds. The examples are, you can say, rose, potato, and bryophyllum. Okay, so these are vegetative propagation. Then speed is equal to distance upon time. The to and fro motion of simple pendulum is an example of a periodic or an oscillatory motion. Okay, so as motion of your hands while running, motion of electric bell, a child, or a seesaw, you can say these three are example of oscillatory motion. 1 microsecond is 1 millionth of a second, and a nanosecond is 1 billionth of a second. Then speedometer or odometer, you can say, in a vehicle or four-wheeler dashboard, you can see speedometer, which tells you about the speed, and odometer, how much the number of kilometers the car runs. That is you can see in the odometer. Then positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Such a combination of two or more cells is called a battery. So a battery of 4 cells, you can say, it's not a simple cell. As whenever you are called a simple cell as battery, it's not. Whenever you are having a proper structure of two or more batteries, two or more cells are joined properly to make a form. So these are called as battery. A fuse is a safety device which prevents damages to electrical circuits and possible fires. These days, may nature circuits darkness, circuit breakers. You can say MCBs, circuit breakers. Miniature circuit breakers. These are called as MCBs. Are increasingly being used in place of fuses, which automatically turn off when current is a circuit exceeds the safe limit. Thomas Alva Edison invented electric bulb, gramophone, the motion picture camera, and carbon transmitter. Then convex surface and concave surface. So you can say when you cut the naril, or you can say cut the coconut, the outer part of it which is swollen, that is, you can say, convex surface, and the inner part which is you can say inside part, that is called as concave surface. A concave mirror forms a real image of the sun, and a plain mirror could not be obtained on a screen, or such image is called as virtual image. Doctors using concave mirrors for examine eyes and ears and nose and throat. Also used by dentists to see an enlarged image of teeth. The reflections of the torches, headlights of car and scooters are also concave in shape. Convex mirrors are as side as view mirror. So convex mirrors can form images of objects spread over a large area. So convex lenses, you can say, thicker in the middle, and converging lenses are there. These are used in magnifying glasses. But instead of concave lenses are thinner in the middle, and diverging glasses or lenses, and these are giving a smaller size. Okay, so hashtag, you can say, white light is composed of 7 colors. Then year 2003 was observed as International Year of Fresh Water to make people aware of this dwindling natural resources. The process of seeking of water into the ground is called as infiltration. At places the groundwater is stored between layers of hard rock below the water table. This is known as aquifer. The microorganisms which convert the dead plants and animals to humus are known as decomposers. On March 22, 2005, the General Assembly of UN proclaimed the period 2005 to 2015 as the International Decade for Action on Water for Life. So wastewater story, you can say sewage is a liquid waste, water plus organic and or inorganic impurities. What are organic impurities? These are human feces, say animal waste, oil, urea, or you can say urine, pesticides, herbicides, fruit and vegetable wastes, and all. Then inorganic impurities are nitrates, phosphates, and metals. And nutrients, you can say phosphorus, and bacteria, you can say Vibrio cholera, which spreads cholera disease, and Salmonella paratyphi, which caused typhoid. Okay, wastewater is treated in a sewage treatment plant, and byproducts of wastewater treatment are sludge and biogas. So this is all about the second part of NCERT of class 7th. So I think you can understand. Thank you.